I'm going to share something with you that has helped me so much in my life when it comes to becoming a profitable trader, running a profitable coaching business, and just being extremely productive at basically all times of the day. You need a structured daily routine where you're doing the same things at the same time every single day. When you don't have a consistent routine, that leads to chaos in your life, and chaos leads to stress. And the last thing that you want to do as a trader is trade when you're stressed out, where you're like rolling out of bed 10 minutes before the market opens, you're rushing to make your coffee, you're rushing to do your pre-market watch list, and then next thing you know, you can't really catch any trades because you're still kind of scrambling and you're feeling that anxiety. Once you have a trading system and a strategy, 70% of your success is going to come from your trading psychology and your mindset, and you need to be mentally locked in before the market opens. That's why for me, I wake up at the same time every day. I go to the gym at the same time. I make my coffee at the same time. Sometimes I take morning walks, and then I get to my office at the same time every single day. Yes, it is kind of a repetitive routine, but that's what allows me to get mentally in the zone to be able to actually execute on my setups when the market opens. I want you to write down a schedule of exactly what you're going to do in the morning, the exact time you're going to wake up, the exact time you're going to go to the gym or go on a walk or eat breakfast, whatever. Just write down a routine and follow it every single day, and you'll see your trading start to really take off. Let me know in the comments what your trading routine is.